HTTP method, when you are attacking web application, you will be dealing almost exclusively with the most commonly used methods, get and post. As I have talked about in my last video, you need to be aware of some very important difference between these methods, and as they affect the application security if overlooked. The get method is designed to retrieve resources. It can be used to send parameters to the requested resources in the URL string query. Okay, so this enables users to bookmark a URL for a dynamic resource and that they can reuse, or other users can retrieve the equivalent resources on a subsequent occasion, as in the URL are displayed on the screen are logged in the various places, such as browser history and the browser server access logs. They are also transmitted in the referrer header to the other website when external links are followed. For the reason, the query string should not be used to transmit any sensitive information. So get it kind of request. We will be performing cross-site scripting here, SQL injection here, so it will be more fun when we will doing the attacks on the get based request. So the second thing is the post request. So post request method is designed to perform actions, and with this method, request parameter can be sent both in the URL query string and in the body of the message. And although the URL can still be bookmarked, and any parameter sent to the message body will be excluded from the bookmark, and these parameters will also be excluded from the various locations in which logs of URLs are maintained and from the referrer header, because of the post method is designed for the performing actions. If a user clicks on the browser back button to return to the page that was accessed using this method, and the browser does not automatically use the request. Instead, it warns the user of what it is about to do, as shown that the prevent user from unwillingly performing an action and more than once. For this reason, post request should always be used when an action being performed. So when it comes to post method, we will be performing some SQL injection here. In most of the thing, when we type our passwords, so the post method is used because it is more secure than the get method. So the next thing is head function. Head function is the same way as a get request, so except the server should not return a message body in its response. The server should return the same headers that it would have returned to the corresponding get request, and hence this method can be used to check whether a resource is present before making get request for it. And the other one is trace. Trace is just like designed for the diagnosis purpose, and the server should return this response body to the exact content of the what we can say is request message and it received. This can be used to detect the effect of any proxy server between the client and the server that may manipulate the request. And the other one is option. Option asks the server to report the HTTP methods that can available for the particular resources. The server typically returns a response containing and allow headers with that particular list available method. And the put method save an object at the location, so it attempts to upload the specific resources to the server using the content contained in the body of request. If the method is enabled, you may be able to leverage it to attack the application, as such as by uploading any arbitrary script and executing it on the server. So many other HTTP methods exist that are not directly relevant to attacking web application. However, a web server may expose itself to attack if certain dangerous method can available. So we shall see later what are the methods we are going to apply for attacking web server. So this is what I was aiming to show you what is the HTTP protocol. So in the upcoming videos, we will be learning about URLs and HTTPS and some HTTP headers and the status codes. So this is all for this video. Thank you.